This is Gary again, doing another follow-up video on my oven. It's like I've got everything pretty well to go on the electrical part. Got it all wired in. I got the 480 volts running over. I got disconnect there back behind the oven. I still have to hook up my gas. This is a Col-Met oven. The burner right there, it's a firebox, circulation fan. A couple of the wires inside have been setting, and I got them replaced. Rodent damage on them. But it does have the big barn doors. It is an 8x8 oven. Firebox there, circulating fan. It's got vents that goes along the side that the air blows through, so to circulate the air. So I still got to get them on there, but turn it on back here and show everybody how it comes on. Big main switch here. Got it on. Temperatures come up. Showing 50 degrees Fahrenheit in the oven now. It is set to 400, but and this one right here is the combustion air. Exhaust fan. Circulating fan. As you can see, everything's working. And the gas right here. We got the trap set. Still got to get some piping to get it over here to the burner. But I don't foresee any problems with this oven at all. Runs and sounds pretty good once you get it going. And yeah, I went ahead and just wet painted all these, so they're done. I could have powder coated them if they were in there. So a lot of the frames, like you see here, that we're sending out now, I will be doing here. I still have to get the spray booth out, and I'm going to set it out here in the front. I'll come through the wall, taking the door down here. I'm going to come through the wall with it. But I'll keep everybody posted as my powder business grows. And thanks for watching.